There is a severe fog warning here today. I can almost not see 100 yards in front of me. I'm not gonna lie, that brought tears to my eyes right there. Hi, it's Eunice from Theory of Simple. Well, today I'm coming to you from this hotel room, but yesterday I came here in a very special way. I got to fly in a private jet. So come along with me as I take you on an experience beyond first class, private jet class. Door-to-door service. Crew is preparing the plane, so I'm sitting in Signature Flight Services, enjoying a cup of coffee before we take off. And they even have a conference room they said I could use while I'm waiting to board my flight. With an open door policy, just swipe and grab what you need. This is the pilot's lounge. Nice. This is where they get their weather updates and file their flight plans. It's getting really foggy here. The sun was out earlier, but I can almost not see 100 yards in front of me. Well, when we first got here, the sun was actually out, but there is a severe fog warning here today, so it's really gotten, let me show you outside, it's getting really foggy. All right, here we go. It was such a unique experience not to have to show a ticket or any ID and just walk out the door and board a plane. Good morning. Hey there. Here we are in the cabin. It's beautiful. Give you a tour in a minute. Let me get settled. All right, we are getting ready to take off. Give you a quick tour. The pilot's checking out, making sure everything is good and ready to go. Buckle up for safety. All right.
Debrief.
Debrief. Okay, I've been given the privilege to sit in the jump seat. This is an incredible experience. Okay, sitting up in that jump seat was one of the most thrilling things I've gotten to do in my life. That was amazing. But let's take a look at this amazing jet in the cabin and see how beautiful it is. The cabin seating is beautiful soft leather in a creamy white with gold accessories. And there are plenty of compartments to keep drinks and other things close to you and convenient on the flight. And all the controls for your chairs are right here at your fingertips.
And if you're looking for a place to put your snacks or do some work, open up your beautiful burl wood tray inlaid with beautiful wood. At the front of the plane, you will find the galley, which is beautiful burl wood and some beautiful granite, a gold sink and coffee makers, and all of the things that make flight wonderful, like real silverware, plates, and glasses. Of course, no flight would be complete without some of your favorite snacks, and they're all right here in these drawers. At the rear of the plane, you'll find this beautiful bathroom with lots of mirrors and lighting, a gold sink, burl wood, and a suede headliner that gives it a nice comforting feeling, a full-length mirror, which is also a door to access your luggage in case you want to change, and you can't forget the toilet.
There is even this beautiful table here that folds out. 4 people can sit here and have a meeting or something to eat or play a game. So that's another little luxury that this plane has.
All of the wood on the plane is burl wood with beautiful inlay, and the headliners are all suede.
So this is the beautiful lounge area back here. This jet also has a beautiful lounge here in the back. There's a sofa on this side and this side as well. So it allows for people to sit and have a nice little conversation and sit comfortably on the jet. All right, I'm getting to sit here on this beautiful sofa with these lovely Christian Dior Paris throws and pillows, this beautiful wood and everything, and an amazing view as we travel on our way to Idaho. So I didn't pay for this flight. This flight is courtesy of my boyfriend, partner, husband. He is the manager of this plane and it has to go in for maintenance. So I wanted to go see a friend where this was going to be maintained, and they said I could come along and tag along for the ride. Pretty cool perk. You have to see this view. That is beautiful lake top. That's another plane flying by us there. We're getting ready to land. We've arrived. Now it's time to deplane. Nothing like a little door-to-door service. That's a nice perk too.
While the plane was in for maintenance, we got to explore a bit of Boise and visit with our friends. Although we didn't get to fly the Privatejet back and had to fly commercial, we had a wonderful time and it was a wonderful experience to be able to fly in a private jet.